Hi guys, welcome to RS Technology. In this video series, I'm going to discuss about how to make calculator using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So let's get started. This is our project result, and in this project, just when I click on any buttons and just choose any operator and then press equal to, and you got a result. Two more buttons here. First one is D stands for delete, and you can use this button to delete one by one characters like this. Okay, one more button, that is AC stands for all clear, and you can use this button for clearing all the screen. Like when I click on the AC button, then my all screen are got cleared. Before coding, let me break the HTML code. So in this project I'm using one div, and in this div I'm using one image, that is logo. Second thing, I'm using one heading, that is calculator by Rajeev. And third, I'm using one div for calculator. In this div there are many divs used. First one is for output here, and second one is first row, second row, and so on. This one rows, two row, three row, four row, and five rows. Okay, so let's get started. Here I have written some basic HTML code here, and I have one more file for CSS here, and this is basic CSS like margin 0, padding 0, box hedging, border box, and font family poppins, sans serif. Okay, so let's get started. And in HTML we need one div here, so I'm writing container. Okay, in this container we have to written all the code, we have to write all the code here. So first of all we need one image, so I'm using image tag, img tag, and here giving the src is logo dot png. Okay, and after that we need one heading, so I'm using h1 for heading, and here writing calculator by Rajeev. Okay, after that we need one more div for my calculator content only, so we are writing so I'm writing div for calculator dot calculator. Okay, in this div we have to write all the functioning of calculator, all the coding of calculator. Okay, so here we need one form tag. In this form tag we need two things, for like output and for buttons. So I'm using div here, div display, that for displaying the output, and here is the input type text and display div. And next div we need for buttons, so we need button, sorry, div. In this div we have to need input type equals to button, and value, and we need to write a value equals to it's just we need value equal to if you see here ACDE dot and divide, so we need value here ACDE dot and divide here. So we need to AC and just copy and paste it 4 times, copy it and just paste it and paste it. So just enter. Okay, AC here is for delete button, so we write DE here dot, or you can use decimal also, you can say decimal also, dot, and here we need slash for divide. Okay, and just copy this div for multiple times for all buttons. Copy this div for multiple times for all button, copy, just paste, and write here this 7 8 9 and multiply, 7 8 9 and multiply. So I'm writing here 7 8 9 and multiply here. So you can just copy these and paste for multiple times. I have written this HTML code for button, and now I have to just need for some CSS. This is I've written here calculator for calculator. background equal to this color. This is for calculator, padding 20 pixel, border radius 10 pixel. And same here, calculator form input means when I click on form means what is the input css here. Border 0, outline 0, width 60 pixel, height 60 pixel, border radius 0, and box padding box shadow this RGB 25 to 55 to 55, and this one background transparent, font sizing 20 pixel, color white, cursor pointer and margin. So let's go save it and just run it. Save this also and run. Go to the output in live server here. Go live. So our calculator look like this. So we need some more css for this image size. So let me change the image size here. Come on the HTML. Come on the so logo point. Where is logo? Yes, logo. So we need width equal to 123 pixel. Save it and check the output. This one looks like good, but needs some more css here. So I have written some more css for the form here. Form display equal to flags, and justify content flags int means we need to inside margin 20 pixel 0 pixel. Form display input text align right flags 1, font sizing 45 pixel, box shadow none. Form input equal width equal 155 pixel, and form input operator it needs for our coloring for top first row and last column. So written here color equals to 33ffd8. Now come on the JavaScript. Now we need to just when I click on here, so this value fetch and write here. When I click here, this value fetch and write here. So come on the JavaScript file and let's write some JavaScript code. Here we need onclick function. Onclick is a inbuilt function for JavaScript. I'm writing here onclick function. What is mean by onclick? Onclick equal to display dot value plus equal to 7. What that means, when I click on this button 7, so this value goes to the display dot value. What is display? Display is here display class name. What is the name? Display. So when I click on this button, this value goes to the here and render there, fetch there. That's why I'm using onclick display dot value plus equal to 7. So just copy it and paste in all buttons almost. So do it fast. Okay, so I'm written these all codes here. One different thing, on click display dot value equals to, I'm writing here one blank string here, one blank string. Why? Because when I click on AC means all clear button, we need to clear all the screen. That's why I'm just assign the value null value here, null string. That's why I'm using display dot value equals to null string here. Okay, now we need DE button. So in DE button we want what we want when we click on DE button, then one character from rightmost deleted, not all, one character. That's why I'm using on click display dot value equal to display dot value dot to string in the inbuilt function for JavaScript dot slice means 0 minus 1 means I want to delete only one character from rightmost. That's why I'm using slice 0 minus 1. And here I'm using class operator because let's this is in this output we need this top row and this last column color is maybe aqua. That's why I'm using this class for this color, changing this color. Okay, so come on the code here, class operator and this one. So save it and just run it. Okay, so now it's most important point here. Just come on the output. When I click 7 8 yeah, minus 6, but when we click on equal to, there is no any action got it. So we need to write some on click function on the equals to button. So come on the code here. I'm writing here some click on function means when we click on equals to button, on click display dot value equals to means what the value of display dot value equal to eval is the inbuilt function for JavaScript that evaluate the values means with operator and content with operator and string. It's evaluate the value, so I'm using here eval function. Eval display dot value means कि display dot value को क्या करना हमको eval करना, that's why I'm using eval display dot value. Okay, one more thing, I'm used here equal operator class. I'm given equal operator class name because we need to here uh, equal operator here, so we need to width 145 pixel 145 pixel because we want just this equals width goes from here to here, that's why I'm using 145 pixel width. Okay, so just save it, save this. Okay, now just save it and run this. Here 7 8 minus I want to 8, so click on equal button and your answer goes to output here. D deletes one character and AC deletes all character means all clear. Okay, thanks for watching, bye bye, and don't forget subscribe my channel, like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.